Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. These are some things that you haven't thought about before, especially how they affect your hair health. But they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
If you aspire to sleep better, one of the simplest things you can do is to wake up and go to bed at consistent times every day. This means avoiding big changes in your sleep schedule, like sleeping in on weekends or staying up late on weeknights. There are various health benefits to getting a good night's sleep. Wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. You'll have more energy and be able to concentrate better. Getting enough sleep can also help you maintain a healthy weight. Going out with friends can be useful for your health since socializing with friends can help reduce stress. Spending time with your family is a splendid way to relax and forget about your troubles for a little while. And when you're less stressed, your body is better able to fight off illness and disease. Studies have proven that people who have strong social relationships are more likely to live longer and have better overall health. In fact, one study discovered that people with vigorous social relationships were 50% more likely to live longer than those who didn't have strong social ties. Tumbling tower puzzles can be good for your health in countless ways. For one, they can help improve your cognitive skills. The act of solving puzzles demands focus and concentration, and this can help to sharpen your mind. In addition, puzzles can also help to enhance your memory and problem-solving skills. There are multiple benefits to be gained from playing tumbling tower puzzles. While it's true that olive oil is packed with health benefits, cooking everything in it can really have negative consequences for your health. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help lower cholesterol and enhance heart health. However, when it's heated to high temperatures, it can release harmful compounds that can increase your risk of cancer and other diseases.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.